I kind of did the little flashlight test, which I'll hopefully do later for you tonight. And you're not going to believe this, but look what I found. Okay, well, we're just a couple days in now after seeding, and so far it's been pretty interesting. A little bit concerned at this point already about a few things that are going on. And last night we had a pretty good rainstorm about middle of the night or so. I don't know exactly how much rain came down, but I'm looking at the seed today. I can definitely tell some of the peat moss and stuff washed away. Yesterday I had a ton of birds eating a bunch of stuff, even though I had it pretty much covered up fairly well, I thought, but the peat moss is definitely thin, and once it rains and waters, it does kind of move around a little bit. So there were some birds on there that I was trying to keep off of there, and today, really super windy, going to be about 93 degrees. Just a whole lot of stuff to work on here and try to work out, so we'll see what happens. But today, I'm thinking I'm mainly going to have to pretty much hand water this here for a little while, because the wind is blowing so much that it's just going to be really difficult with the sprinklers. Right there's a couple pesky little crabgrass plants, it looks like. But check this out. Looks like the tenacity is certainly working on those right there. You can see them already turning white when they're coming up, so that's exactly what the tenacity is supposed to do. I was a little worried that it wasn't going to be working out that well because so many things going on with the dirt, but so far it looks okay. Okay, time for another update today. It's Tuesday morning. I seeded on Saturday afternoon, so we're just a couple days into it here. Still humid. You see my glasses fogging over, but there's just a little bit more crabgrass coming up today as far as I can tell. Most of it's looking pretty white, and so I think that the tenacity is actually doing a pretty good job. We'll just have to wait and see. Any of it that I can kind of grab from the sides of the yard, I'm just kind of pulling out by hand right now, but whatever I can't reach, we're just going to hope that that tenacity kills. So, a bunch of rain possible today. I'm a little bit worried about that. There's some severe weather possible a little bit later on today, so just going to keep you updated as we continue to go along here and see what happens. Okay, so it's Wednesday morning now, and remember that I seeded on Saturday afternoon, started watering on Saturday evening. So last night I came home and I kind of did the little flashlight test, which I'll hopefully do later for you tonight. And you're not going to believe this, but look what I found. So there's grass growing in already. That's basically 3 to 4 days, and that is the ryegrass coming in already. So now the concern in my mind is just how much this is going to get established before the bluegrass even decides to germinate at all. I mean, I don't know. This is the fastest that I've ever seen ryegrass come up for me. Usually it was between 5 and 7 days, just best case scenario. Good morning, it's Thursday now today, so just another quick update. I want to keep doing these just little quick brief updates to make sure that I am keeping progress of every single day and what it looks like. So today we have some major progress. So there's many grass plants in there coming up, and it's actually starting to cover the whole ground and actually looking like a little bit of grass is coming in. So it's pretty exciting stuff right now. Also, you couldn't tell there in the little video clips, the tenacity seems to be working very well. I'm getting a lot of the little crabgrass plants turning white, which is exactly what was supposed to happen. So that seems to be working too. Now we just have some major kind of weather wrenches that could be coming here this weekend and through next week. So we'll see how all that works out and how I'm going to be able to handle that. But so far so good, and I appreciate you watching these updates. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.